It's time to replace the tyres on the Toyota Aygo. From wear and tear you will start to lose the tread. More has been lost on the outer section than the inner, and this could relate to an off-wheel alignment that needs adjusting. Now you may not know, but there are some major brand tyres that have wear indicator bars. So if the bar is flush to the top, it's time for a replacement. Tyre dimensions: 165 width, 60 profile, 15-inch rib size. M+S means mud and snow. Preferable to get all season tyres. The 43rd week of 2024. That's the manufacturing date. Over 5 years old, consider an inspection or replacement. Remember, having a tyre will fail the MOT if the tread depth is below 1.6mm. Keep your wheel scrutiny nuts safe. If you lose it, you can purchase it from your car manufacturer or online. They will need a picture of the nut pattern, so it's best to keep an image on your phone. Part 1 tyres are the cheapest tyres you can get. For this Toyota Aygo, they can start from £25 each, brand new around £50 each. Top branded new tyres such as Goodyear, Continental, Michelin can start from £80 each, all based on your dimensions. Next time you look for a tyre, guys, look at the manufacturing date and whether it's all season you want to go ahead with, as here in the UK you get more wet weather than the sun. Drive safe, peace.